It has now become an annual affair for Pakistan to use the August platform of the United Nations to spew venom. This year too wasn't any different. Under scanner for its complicit role for harboring terrorists, Pakistan's Prime Minister went on a rant, raising the Kashmir issue. In his recorded speech, the Pakistani leader made many unfounded allegations. Immediately after Imran's speech, India used its right to reply to put the facts on the table. Sneha Dubey, First Secretary, Indian Mission in the United Nations, apprised the world leaders of how Pakistan has been playing the double game and pointing fingers at others while remaining silent on its heinous acts.
In the hope that they will only harm their neighbors. Regrettably, this is not the first time the leader of Pakistan has misused platforms provided by the UN to propagate false and malicious propaganda against my country, and seeking in vain to divert the world's attention from the sad state of his country, where terrorists enjoy free pass while the lives of ordinary people, especially those belonging to the minority communities, are turned upside down. Mr. President, member states are aware that Pakistan has an established history and policy of harboring, aiding, and actively supporting terrorists. This is a country which has been globally recognized as one openly supporting, training, financing, and arming terrorists as a matter of state policy. It holds the ignoble record of hosting the largest number of terrorists proscribed by the UN Security Council. Let me reiterate here that the entire Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh were, are, and will always be an integral and inalienable part of India. This includes the areas that are under the illegal occupation of Pakistan. We call upon Pakistan to immediately vacate all areas under its illegal occupation. Mr. President, allow me to be categorical about India's position. We desire normal relations with all our neighbors, including Pakistan. However, it is for Pakistan to work sincerely towards creating a conducive atmosphere, including by taking credible, verifiable, and irreversible actions to not allow any territory under its control to be used for cross-border terrorism against India in any manner. I thank you, Mr. President.